Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Zenji's Yard Style Cooking. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I prepare my chicken stir fry with veg. Okay, it's very simple, easy and delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. Okay, alright, so for my stir fry now guys, what you're going to need some form of boneless chicken. So I'm using the chicken breast. You could use the chicken thigh, debone the chicken thighs and go ahead and use it. Cut it up in little strips or cubes and you should be good to go. Alright, so this is about 1.5 chicken breasts. I've already went ahead, washed it, clean it up with some vinegar and lime, and now I'm going to just go ahead and season it lightly. We're not going to use too much seasoning for this. Okay, alright, so also you're going to need vegetables. So I have some julienne carrots as well as some sweet bell pepper. I have red, yellow as well as green. Alright, so I also have some white onion as well as some purple onion. I'll be using some broccoli, a little scotch bonnet pepper just to give it a little bit of kick, some escallion or spring onion as well as my garlic. So I don't want to use the fresh thyme because I don't want to see the stick and all of those things, so I'm just going to use some dry thyme leaf. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and start by seasoning my chicken. Alright, so I'm just going to use some, what is this now, some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to list it down below in my description so you don't have to worry. Okay, also I'll be using some garlic powder. So what I also wanted to use guys, I wanted to use some ginger, but I don't have any fresh ginger and I don't have any powdered ginger. So but be sure to add it to yours. Trust me, it's gonna taste delicious. Alright, so I'm going in with about 1 teaspoon of my green blend. Alright, so I also will be adding about a teaspoon of salt. You could add more seasoning to yours if you choose, but I'm just going to use a few seasoning. Alright, so that should be okay. So I'm just going to rub this up together, and I'm going to put it aside just to allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. Okay, we don't need to do it too long. Alright, so that's how it is looking. What I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add some paprika just to give it a little bit of color because I don't want it to be too white since we're stir frying it. Okay, so it's not a lot, just about a teaspoon or less. So that's that. And also I'll be adding some pepper flakes. Right, so that should be good. But both the paprika and the pepper flakes optional as well. Alright, so you don't have to add those if you don't want to. Right, so this is how this is looking. I'm going to put some surrounding wrap on it and then put it aside, let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes, then come back and start on our stir fry. Guys, my chicken has been marinated for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and start stir frying. Okay, so I've already had about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, so I'm going to go ahead and start now on my chicken. And you could use a wok for this, but because I don't have a wok, I'm using a saucepan for mine. I'm using a very large saucepan, as you can see. Okay, so you don't have to worry, it still works just perfect as the wok. Okay, so I'm just going to constantly turning these until they're nicely cooked on both sides. Guys, so this is how the chicken is looking now, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it and start stir frying my other vegetables. Okay, so guys, basically stir fry is nothing hard. The name speaks for it. You basically cook small portion of food on very high heat. Okay, so it's just constantly stir frying, and it's a very fast way of cooking. Alright, so you could use a wok, but I don't have a wok, so as I mentioned, I'm using a saucepan. Move this now and then start on the other vegetables. Okay, so I'm going in now. In the same pan, I'm adding my carrots. And what you could do, you could just blanch your carrots a bit, but I'm not going to be doing that. I like when my vegetables still have a bit of crunch. So I just add my peppers. Now I'm going in with my onions. Right? Also, I'll be adding my bell pepper. I'm going to add my broccoli last because I don't want it to be soggy or anything. Okay, so I'm just going to constantly stir this. Just turn this around. I don't like when my vegetables is cooked because I still want it to have a bit of crunch. Nice and crunchy and tasty. Okay? And just look at the colors, guys. Perfect. And you could add some string beans to this if you want. You could use any type of vegetable you choose to your stir fry. Okay? And it's not only chicken you could stir fry. You could do some beef, you could do some shrimp, you could do whatever you choose or whatever you have on hand. Okay? You could go ahead and stir fry it. Trust me, it tastes really good and it's a good way to incorporate all your vegetables in your meal. Right? So you could serve it with some plain rice or just go ahead and eat it just like this or some noodles, whatever you choose. I'm sure it will taste great. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to add my garlic. I would add the ginger at this point, but as I said, I don't have any ginger, so I will not be adding any. I thought I had some fresh ginger, but checking again, I realized I don't know where it is. It's just one of those days. But I'm sure my stir fry is not going to be missing out on anything. All the flavors are there, the taste, everything. Trust me, guys. It's all in the pot. Alright, so at this point I'm going to be adding about a teaspoon of thyme, and this part is optional as well. You don't have to add it here. Okay? So I'm going in back with my chicken. Trust me, guys, this smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. It's gonna be so delicious. Right, so also now I'm going in with some soy sauce. So I will be adding about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and you could use oyster sauce as well. Okay. Continue mixing again. And at this point, I can add my broccoli. So I'm just going to continue stirring this, then I'll show you guys how we're looking, okay? So guys, that's how it is looking. So now I like to add my scallion last, okay? So I'm just going to add these to it. Just mix it in. And then basically we're finished. Just like your favorite Chinese takeout. Only difference, it's done at home, okay? Trust me guys, this tastes so delicious, and today I will be serving it with some white rice and some corn. It's gonna be so yummy. My delicious chicken stir fry with veg, okay? So just look at that. As you see guys, it's very simple, easy and delicious. So I'm just going to go ahead now, plate this up, and I'll show it to you with what I'm serving it with, okay? There you have it guys, my delicious chicken stir fry with vegetables, okay? And trust me guys, this tastes so delicious. The smell, trust me guys, you're not going to be disappointed, okay? And I'm serving it with some plain rice as well as some sweet corn. So I want you to go ahead guys and try this recipe. You can incorporate whichever vegetables you choose. You can use whatever meat you want to use. As I mentioned earlier, it's very easy, simple, quick. It's less than 40 minutes and you'll be out of the kitchen, because no one wants to be into the kitchen like 2-3 hours. We just want to whip up something quick yet tasty, and we're out of the kitchen. Okay, so go ahead and try it and let me know, guys. So I hope you did enjoy today's video, and if you did, remember to like this video, share it with your friends, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about today's video, as well as make suggestion on what you like to see me prepare next on my channel. Okay, and guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. The only thing you're going to enjoy is this belly full of delicious goodness. All of these yummy tasty dishes coming to you. Okay, so until I come your way again, guys, with something delicious from my kitchen to yours, take care and enjoy. Bye. See you in the next one.